teach them. But right now, I want you to stand with an open mind, an open heart, and a grounded sense of self, real powerful and vital. Okay. So they're the beginning 4 movements. And people were asking, how long does it take to do the routine? Well, it depends on how many repetitions you do. Generally, we'll be doing, it depends if we're learning it or if we've already learned it and we're adding on to it. But generally do about 3 repetitions each. So let's break it down. So the first one is we are opening. And we do these loops. So we inhale, the hands sweep up, and we exhale. So you can see I'm kind of making like a circle in front of me. You don't want to bring your arms too far up, okay? And we're just inhaling and exhaling. And when we inhale, I want you to have this imagination that you're expanding. And when you exhale, you're contracting, because that's actually what's happening in the body. Your lungs are expanding and contracting, and the whole of your body works with peristalsis. The way that food travels through the body is it's squeezed, it's relaxed and squeezed. All the intestines relax, squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax. And this spiraling motion, because even the heart doesn't expand and do that. It's on the right side. Yes, even the heart just doesn't do that. The heart actually opens like a spiral and closes, opens and closes. And these are the movements we use in Qigong all the time, opening and closing. So inhaling, you imagine the body opening like a spiral, exhaling. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, the body opens. Exhale, the body contracts. One more time, inhale and exhale. Very good. So the next one we do is embrace the mountain. So we inhale up and we slightly rock forwards, opening, because you can see I'm right on the balls of my feet. And as I close, I come back to my aligned center from the North Star and the center of the earth. So I inhale up, slightly stretching forwards. Exhale, come back to center. Let's do it together. Inhale and exhale. Coming back to your aligned top of the head, perineum, earth, and stars. Inhale, slight shift forwards. Exhale and down. All of these are to be done at 70% of your capability. So there's none of this. It's kind of, okay, I'm opening, I could open more, but I'm 70% there. I'm closing and down. And then for dance, the rainbow, up the arms, come. And then keeping the knees facing forwards and the ankles and the feet firmly into the ground. I let my weight fall and I look to the side, but I imagine I have a rainbow between the 2 hands. So I've got this beautiful rainbow, and then I come back up, I bring the rainbow together, and then I exhale. 70%, 70%. This one here is really good for lower back issues. It's stimulating the kidney. Embracing the mountain was really working with the heart and the lungs. But now we're working towards the kidneys. So 70%. See, my knees are facing forwards. I haven't done anything with the soles of my feet. They're firmly planted. And then I come up, and then I come into a small loose squat. So I'm not forcing this squat, and I let the hands sweep down, and they're going to cross in front of me. Inhale, up and open. This one also is very good for chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia. So you imagine the energy coming up through the soles of the feet. Inhale, it's called parting the clouds. So see if you can feel with the tips of your fingers the energy that you're moving in the air. And you can see it's opening that CV17 point right in the center of the chest, helping with blood circulation, lowering blood pressure, but raising energy, helping with the earth element and the stomach and the spleen. One more time. And let the hands come down. And again, just hold in the Ouija position. Check your alignment, calibrate your body, relax through the hips and the bum if you've got any tension, and the neck. Let the chin fall to chest. What you can do is inhale and imagine the energy flowing up the spine and right up the back, right over the top of the head. And as you exhale, let it fall, forehead, throat, chest, abdomen. Inhale, imagine the energy coming up the back of the body. Exhale, imagine it flowing over the front of the body. One more time. And exhale, standing in Ouija position. Now, perhaps if you have got stiff shoulders and you can't come all the way up, that's okay. You can come to here. You can still do the movement wherever you are. And if you're on your stool, you can still be on the edge of your bed. You can still do all these moves on the edge of your bed. So seated Qigong is absolutely possible. And you'd come down, around and up. So no matter where you are, you can still do some of these moves. So let's practice them again once more, okay? Let's see if we can get 2 rounds in. So align your position, feel into your Ouija position, and we'll begin with the opening. Inhale, let the arms raise. Exhale, drop them down. Inhale and exhale. And again. And let's come into embrace the mountain. Arms come up, we slightly lean forwards, open the chest. Exhale, come back to your central alignment. Inhale. Forwards. Exhale. And down. One more time. And dancing the rainbows, hands come all the way up or as far as you can take them. Exhale, just let the eyes shift to the ground, keep the knees forwards, keep the toes forwards, and imagine this beautiful rainbow between the 2 palms of your hands. Nice and gentle. Opening up the back and the side of the body, relieving any back pain. Flushing through the kidneys, helping the kidneys flush. And coming up, we come into parting the clouds. So let the hands sweep down, come into a soft, gentle squat. You don't have to come all the way down to the ground. You come to wherever is comfortable for you. Inhale up, part the clouds. Don't just let the hands flop. Inhale up and around. Exhale down. Inhale up, and now let the hands fall. Feel as if you're combing through a waterfall with the tips of your fingers, and come to your lower dantian. Inhale the energy up the back of the body, and let it flow over the front. And let's see if we can get a round in silent practice. So we're going to do 3 repetitions of each of the 4 movements. So we begin opening. Embrace mountain. Dance rainbows. And part the clouds. Bring the energy down to the lower dantian. Inhale, feel the energy expand between the palms. Exhale, squish it together. Inhale, expand. Exhale, condense. And now we're going to imagine we've got a pearl, and we're going to pop that in the lower dantian. And we're going to put palm over palm with the thumb pressing into the palm of the hand. And I want you to spiral. So imagine this energy in the lower dantian now spiraling out around all the body. Spiral it out, and now change direction, gather and store. So we always come down to this area of vitality, bringing the energy down to the lower dantian. I hope you enjoyed this free class of Chi Flow with Jo. If you think you'd like to learn all the 18 moves of Shibashi, they are really beautiful and flowing. You want to do that? Then sign up. We begin these moves tomorrow. So have a beautiful Chi-filled day. May you be happy and may you be well. May I be happy, may I be well, and may all beings everywhere be happy, safe and well. And remember, if you're in Chi Flow, then come to Loving Kindness tonight, where we're going to be managing pain by learning Tonglen. Okay, if you're staying around, we'll have a chat, but that's not recorded.